Okay, get ready. Because what's happening with Tesla's robot helper is kind of crazy. Remember when Elon Musk said Optimus would do your chores, carry heavy stuff in factories, and they would build 5,000 of them in 2025? Well, now it's the middle of 2025 and things are not going as planned. Milan Kovac, the guy in charge of the Optimus project, quit in June after only a few months. Right after that, Tesla stopped building the robots. They had already made about 1,000, but now they're taking a 2-month break to fix big problems with the design. So why stop everything? One big reason is overheating. Some motors were getting way too hot, which makes the robot unreliable. And those cool-looking hands? They can barely lift anything heavier than a laptop. Think about that, a $60,000 robot that struggles to carry a grocery bag. But here's the wild part, some parts inside wear out super fast like cheap shoes. And the battery dies quickly too, so the robot can't work for long. But here's the even crazier part. Tesla showed off a new hand design 9 months ago, but the robot still hasn't done one hard task in the real world. Tesla is now testing 3 new hand designs from other companies, trying to find one that actually works. At the same time, Tesla's big team, over 400 engineers, is using computer simulations to teach the robot new skills. But in real life, inside Tesla's factories, Optimus only does one job, moving battery packs from one spot to another. And it does that slower than a human. Imagine hiring a super athlete who can only move water bottles. That's how bad it is. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on the next jaw-dropping update. Now let's talk about the money. Tesla set aside over $300 million to buy robot parts in 2025. Each robot costs about $50,000 to $60,000 to build. But now that everything is paused, the plan to make 5,000 robots this year looks impossible. Even Tesla's suppliers say it can't happen. That means all those parts are just sitting around while Tesla's new project leader, Ashok Elaswamy, tries to fix the robot's biggest problems: overheating motors, weak hands, and short battery life. But here's something shocking. After spending 3 years and tons of money, Tesla is admitting that Optimus version 1 just isn't ready. That's a big deal. The robot that was supposed to change how factories work can only do one small job, and not even that well. And with every day the robot isn't being built, the 2025 goal slips further away. Still, don't count Optimus out yet. Tesla has a history of trying again and again until things work. They changed the Model 3 car many times before people even noticed. The redesign might take 2 months, but some say it could take until fall. If the new version works, we could see Optimus robots with cooler motors, stronger hands that can lift up to 20 kilograms, and batteries that last a full workday. But here's the crazy part. Even if that happens, Tesla still needs to build thousands of robots fast. That's a huge challenge, kind of like how SpaceX quickly reuses rockets. So what about Musk's big dream of making millions of robots? For now, it's stuck. If the new design works, 2026 could be huge. If not, Optimus might become a big joke like some past Tesla delays. Right now, the world's most talked about robot is on pause, waiting. Engineers are working like crazy to answer one big question. Can they turn this cool-looking machine into a real, helpful robot before everyone loses interest? Stay tuned, because the next big update, or failure, could happen any day now.